Okay. Mike with Buffalo Metrology. We just got our FreeScan Omni unit here. We're gonna do an unboxing this morning today. Let's see what's come from Shining 3D. It's going with cardboard box more than anything. Alright, we got Pelican case here. Open it up. John, you getting this? Yeah? Alright. So, I'm gonna rotate this around for us today. John, what do you think about our case?
It's a great case, Mike.
Good case, okay? Alright, so... Cameraman, come over here while I open the lid for our Pelican case here. Let's see what we got inside with our FreeScan Omni. Yeah, it looks like we have our markers. John, come around right here so we can kind of get angular view here. We have our marker set. Looks like this is a calibration plate. And it looks like we have our charging unit. Charging unit here. Okay. Put this down. We have cables. We have marker sets right here. We have a 6mm that come with the box. 6mm there. And I feel like this is our 3mm. All right. Batteries. Lithium ion, they seem like. A scale bar. Just like a lot of our Shining 3D scanners have, just like our Track Nova currently. And this right here seems like it's our FreeScan Omni unit. This unit is a spout accuracy of 20 microns, and it's very lightweight. And it doesn't feel more than 4 kilograms. So actually, not heavy. There's a charger for it. I've seen this once in Boston before. Sponsored with Shining 3D. And seems like it's it. What do you think, John? Looks nice?
Looks sharp, Mike. Good stuff.
Yeah. Look at that. And that right there is kind of an unboxing video. John, you can get a last view right here of our box right here. It's for our viewers. Get, good size and